But wait, I think that a personality is coming. A great personality, a heroic personality is coming. And as per my please
Hi,
come here, sir.
bro.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Secret, I want to know that. What is the secret of your energy, sir? Reveal it.
You know what? That I am a WWE champion.
Yes, you are. I forgot
That
to
is
say.
I'm the most energetic person. My hard work is the reason. That's why I'm so in.
So, exceptional performance of Yo-Yo Honey Singh is going on. So, let's talk the guys and see the environment.
One in a million.
Alia, wait. Let's dive into the next segment. And he is the Bhaijan of the volley.
Hello, good evening. I'm Alia from FMB News. In this great evening, I would like to give you an extraordinary and a breaking news that is the marriage of Anant Ambani, means the marriage of Ambani's son. In this marriage, many celebrities are coming from every corner of this world. I would like to talk to my reporter. He is MD Saad, is in Ground Zero in Mumbai. How are you, Saad?
I'm very fine.
How is the environment there? Tell me, Saad.
The environment is very cozy and it's very gorgeous because everywhere there is means a lot of lights, and you can see there are some foods. There are many categories of foods, and there are many gifts for the guests, and even there are many means facilities that I cannot explain because I don't know the name of the facility, exact name. It's very futuristic. So I hope the upcoming celebrities will like this event, and I'm damn sure they will like this marriage ceremony.
Our viewers are waiting eagerly to have a look of his favorite celebrity. So let's connect to some celebrities.
Wait, Alia, wait. Everyone is gazing on the entrance. Who is he or she? Oh, dude, he is the renowned personality of the world. And he is none other than Bill Gates. And I guess with her PA. So, hey sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What happened?
Nothing happened. Just I want to ask you some question because there is a big party organized. So let me ask some questions from you, sir. First question is that I think you have come 2 times in India, na? In this year. Yes, and it's your second time.
I like very much India because India's environment is very good.
Oh, thanks for your words also. So can you please tell who is she?
She is my PA.
Oh, what's her name?
Her name is Miss Lucy.
Oh, nice name. So
actually, I'm thinking that we should go from here because tomorrow we have.
no,
leave
wait,
as well
just wait.
to
I
attend
want to
the
ask
meeting
you a
of Los
last question.
Angeles.
Wait,
So
wait.
I think we should
Ma'am,
move
wait,
on.
please. I want to ask a last question. As you know, you have collaborate with the Dolly Chaiwala, means our street tea seller. And that was a very memorable moment for us. And this moment will be also memorable. So can you please repeat your dialogue again? Because that dialogue sounds hilarious. That was one chai, please, in your style.
Okay, no problem. One chai, please.
It sounds very OG. So, sir, enjoy the party because you're getting late, and enjoy all the foods, all Indian foods, whatever you like. Does sir like Indian food?
Yes, he likes Indian foods. He loves Indian food.
To ask one more question from you because you know sir very well about the sir. So, what sir likes in India? The most favorite thing of sir in India?
Actually, sir likes the culture of India.
Oh, that's good. I also like.
Actually, the culture of India is very good. And sir, like one more thing here, the monuments. Actually, the monuments are very great.
Which type of monuments? Which monuments?
Taj Mahal.
Oh, I also like it. So thanks.
It's a great talk with the greatest businessman of this world, Bill Gates, and our viewers must be enjoying this video, and it is only on SMB News channel.
Yes, Alia, yes, you told right to the viewers. But wait, I think that a personality is coming. A great personality, a heroic personality is coming. And as per my guess, he is John Cena.
Hi.
Hi, sir. Can you please come here, sir?
Yeah,
You're looking very bold and strong.
yeah, I am because I'm John Cena, man.
So I'm very thrilled to see you because I'm also feeling aggressive to see you. But one secret I want to know that what is the secret of your energy, sir? Reveal it.
You know what? That I am a WWE champion.
Yes, you are. I forgot
That
to
is
say
the. I'm the most energetic person.
it. Yes. you
My
are.
hard work is the reason. That's why I'm so energetic.
Yes, I know that your hard work is the reason. So, one more very beautiful question I want to ask from you, that is, what about your competitor?
I'm not here for talking about my competitor. I'm for my
But-
wedding of Anand.
Yes, that's right. Now you need to forget that thing. But
Yeah.
the third question, that is, you have not followed anyone in
fast.
Yes, I will take it. I will take some times only. You have not followed anyone in Insta, but you have followed almost 8 lakh people in Twitter.
Yeah, I followed almost 8.5 lakh people in
yes.
Twitter because I want to know the opinion of others.
Oh.
That's why I follow everyone in
I think for you,
Twitter.
Insta is not a secure
Yeah,
platform.
I think it's
for me
not
also.
secure
Yes.
platform. I think
Yes. So
I'm.
you're
Just
getting like
going-
bonus question for you. What about what about the India culture? Do you like it?
It's a very crazy, man. Everyone is giving so much love to me, and I'm loving everything.
Yes, our
whatever they are
audience will
doing.
give you the love
Yeah,
also, sir.
they are crazy. I
Yes.
always say that India gives so much love to
We
me.
respect to the foreigners, okay? And there are many type of foods, Indian food, and there are many
I
type
would
of
like to
gifts for
try
you.
also. I would like to try
Yes,
also
yes.
this type of food because I think that Indian food is so famous in my country.
We like
also.
the desserts
Yeah.
and just enjoy the party. Do something you want to say?
No, nothing, man. Just this.
Oh, this was the thing.
My viewers must be feeling the energy of world champion John Cena.
Alia, wait. Let's dive into the next segment. And he is the Bhaijan of the Bollywood. And he is none other than Salman Khan, the king of Bollywood. So, sir, I think that you're not the king of Bollywood, you are the Bollywood.
Yes, why not?
Yes. And I want to explore some questions with you that
Yes,
what's your future project?
Dabang 4.
Oh, I'm waiting. I'm very thrilled to watch it. Upload it as soon as possible.
Yes, I'm trying.
Oh, so you have come in this marriage party, and I know normally you're very busy in your work. So, how do you manage the time?
It's just a secret.
So reveal it. Everything is secret. Give me.
There is something in someone's life that cannot be revealed.
When will you get married? Everybody is getting married. Your friends are getting married. When will you, sir?
My marriage, forget about. Because मैं लोगों के दिल में बसता हूँ ना ही दिमाग में.
You should do marriage, sir. You're very smart. You should do.
Everyone likes single Salman Khan.
Okay, enjoy the party and enjoy this foods.
Okay, bye bye.
Was a very fantastic
Hey everyone.
Salman Khan. Our viewers are waiting to know who is
Viewers, sit back, get ready for the next unexpected guest. And I think that he is the king of Indian hip hop, and he is Yo-Yo Honey Singer.
Yeah. How you guys?
I'm very fine. Let's do a comeback here also. So I think I have many questions to ask you. The first
You are a
question-
fan. You can ask me anything.
Yes, I am your fan, Kaji. My first question is, what will you perform here?
I will perform many things. You know about me. I have a lot of songs and upcoming songs which you should.
I want to ask you a question that you have made many songs, but what's your favorite song?
What's a shame? Because I love the song Desi Kalakar. Because
because it was
public also likes and I also.
I also like Desi Kalakar because you come back in that. After 9 years, you come back. And one more question that I have, that what's your future track and songs?
All the fans knows that the upcoming album is Glory and the track will be Millionaire.
listened the trailer.
Thanks and keep supporting this type of music
Yes,
of
yes,
mine.
yes. But can you please tell in your style, like, subscribe to our audience?
I can.
Yes, please.
Public, just do one thing, that is to like the video. Just do subs and share to all your fans, and especially to your fans.
Yes,
and
yo-yo
and stay tuned for upcoming videos in Assembly English, because here you will get fun plus English.
Yes. Thanks for your kind response, your kind attention. For you have grabbed my attention. I have not grabbed. You have grabbed my attention. So that was literally a great
Yeah.
conversation with you, and this was my memorable moment in my life. So I love that. Feel free to enjoy the full party. And please, can we do a handshake?
Yeah, of course, you are my fan.
Yes.
I can do this small thing for you.
Yes. So thanks.
Yeah.
Before binding up, I want your signature pose.
You are ready. Big fan, as per I think.
Your signature pose, sir, is hilarious. So nice.
It was a fabulous talk with Yo-Yo Honey Singh, and our viewers must like it, and I also like it.
The one lady actress, and she's the strongest woman in the world. She's the strongest bold woman in the world, and she has win lot of trophies in acting. And I know you have guessed it. She is Priyanka Chopra. She is actress, she is a musician, she is a dancer also, and she is a social media influencer also. She has all the qualities in her. So ma'am, please wait for some minutes. I want to talk to you. As my dream was to talk with a lady who has all the qualities. That's really you. So I want you to know your less life, about your life, how it's going.
Yeah. First start, my dream is singing, dancing, and my birthplace is India, and I like India.
I know you like India, but as our viewers knows that you nowadays you don't live in India because you shifted in Los Angeles. So can you please tell some similarity between Los Angeles and India?
Yeah, Los Angeles is also beautiful, but India is unique.
Yes, India is unique because as you are an old actress, you are you work in Bollywood from a long period of time. So in this party, what would you perform?
Yeah. In this party, I perform dancing and singing.
Yes. Best wishes for you, because as you don't need my best wishes, because you always rock on the stage, and literally I have listened all the motivational speech. So how do you motivate yourself in a bad situation?
I also motivate.
How? Yourself? When nobody is against you, you motivate yourself. You control your emotion. How? When everybody is against you, how do you motivate yourself?
I love myself.
Oh, nice. So it was just a great fun to talk to you, and now my dream is fulfilled. And feel free to enjoy the party and many type of foods. I know you have come after a long time, and you will forget the taste and the flavors. But now you will get to know. So feel free to enjoy, eat the food and enjoy the party. This is for you.
It was a gorgeous talk with Priyanka Chopra, and Priyanka Chopra is a stunning personality. I also like her. Our viewers must be liking our video. If you like this, then like.
Please help me. I want to talk to you.
What happened, girl?
Excuse me. I want to see rich people party.
So what can I do?
But the guard don't be allowed because I am poor.
So not allowed me. I cannot even go to the party. I'm just outside like you. So I cannot help you. Sorry.
But you help me, please.
I can't help you. No, I told you I am not also allowed. I'm the reporter. I'm not allowed in the party. I can just take the review of all the people. I cannot help you. Just enjoy the party from outside like me.
Please help me. I want to see rich people party and I want to see rich people food and I want to see rich people perform.
But I can't make you see
marriage.
because I'm not I'm not any guard and all, means I'm just a normal public, so I can't help you. Sorry for this.
I am user of Jio. My family member is user of Jio. Please talk to Ambani. Nobody helps poor. I know.
It's a shocking thing that Ambani has collected all the big personality. But one guy is missing in this. He is Mr. Rahul Gandhi. He has not come yet. Every leader has come, but he has not. Let's try to connect to him also.
Hello.
Hello. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. I'm Alia from SMB News Channel.
Great.
I would like to ask that why didn't you attend the marriage of Anant Ambani?
Who is Ambani?
Ambani's son. Why have you not attended the marriage of Ambani's son?
First of all, don't politicize the matter, because I am the person of poor people.
But I think that one video is very viral that you were eating pizza in a restaurant.
It's my life, my rule. You can't say now that I'm living with my people, not with rich people. Right?
But I have seen, that's why I told.
Don't behave like the puppet of great leader and businessman.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I think that he has disconnected. So let's move to our reporter MD Saad.
So exceptional performance of Yo-Yo Honey Singh is going on. So let's stop the guys and see the environment.
1 in a million लगदी कमाली होया बुरा हाली तू आजा मेरे close दिल जाना मौका रोज I want you my baby मुझे दे दे love dose तू आजा मेरे close दिल जाना मौका रोज I want you my baby मुझे दे दे
Nice,
love
dude.
dose
So guys, as you have seen that this performance is going on, what a thrill performance, and as we have seen the many people are just enjoying the music, and me too, and I know you're also enjoying the party. So this was the thing that I wouldn't understand you.
बालों का रंग सुनहरा कैसे देखूं तेरी आंखों पे चश्मे का पैर इस चश्मे को हटा दो आंखों को मिला लो आंखों के नशीले जाम आंखों से पिला दो लगता हम पहले कभी मिले हैं अगर मुझे दे जाओ अब आंखों से हट चश्मा आंखें तो मिलाओ जी दुनिया वाले जो भी बोले से ना शर्माओ जी अब फोन को उठ जी और डैडी को मिलाओ जी उनके फ्यूचर सन इन लॉ से बात उनकी करा हेलो अंकल नमस्ते चलो काम की बात पे आते हैं अब आप ये पूछेंगे कि आप कितने पैसे कमाते हैं बस जितना आपकी बेटी एक महीने में उड़ाती है एक हफ्ते में मेरी गाड़ी ना तेल खाती है घर है पैसा है गाड़ी आप 2 जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो लड़की हुई हमारी ओके बाय लगदी है मैनू जिवें अंबरा दी क्वीन मिठियां गल्लां करे कुड़ी नमकीन एवरीबॉडी कहंदी यो यो हनी सिंह
It's a pride moment for India that Ambani has collected all the people and all the big faces, and it shows our culture also, and they will acknowledge our culture and they will also learn our culture. And in last, I would like to say that they are enjoying, celebrities are enjoying also, and if you are enjoying this video, if you did it, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive videos. So take.
As you know that in this village, okay, in Bihar, in Begusarai, okay, we don't have such type of environment where people can speak English, and we have no any original environment of English speakers for English speakers, right? So for this we have to create some situation and condition. That is why we are trying to make a situational based speech, okay, here in the village, so that everybody can speak as per the situation, right? This role play is going to change the way of teaching English and the way of speaking English, and it will give you great style of speaking. Okay, stay tuned and wait for the next and the more video. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.